Welcome, and my name is DOOGEE S50, and today I'll show you how to enable the developer options. So to get started, let's go into the settings and scroll all the way down. As you can see, I'm at the bottom of the page, and if you see the developer options right here as one of the entries, you don't really need to listen to what I'm about to say. But if there is no such a thing in your at the bottom of your page right here, you want to go into About Phone, and then scroll down where you will have build number and tap on that 7 times. So you can see I'm tapping, but it's telling me no need, you're already a developer. For you, once you tap on it 7 times, it either will pop you up with a lock or pin, pattern, password, whatever you have set, and that's assuming you have set, and if you don't, it will just automatically enable it, and from there you can go back. Whoops, I just closed it, so let's go back. So from there you can go back to the settings and you should see the developer options, and you can tap on it, check it on right here, okay, and now they're enabled, and you have now fully access to all the developer options right here. Now I would advise on not switching on and off things that, for instance, you don't know what they might do. Some of those things might actually change completely how the device works and how it's being affected by certain components, so you might want to keep that in mind. But yeah, this is basically how you would enable it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.